Minister of Finance Zainab Ahmed says the federal government will continue to invest in various aspects of the agricultural value chain using all available resources. She made this known at the start of a stakeholders' engagement on the forthcoming National Agricultural Sample Census. The minister said though so much had already been put into the sector, there is still much to be desired. Correspondent Lara Afolayan reports.
Second quarter agricultural data from the National Bureau of Statistics shows the sector contributed 23.7% to GDP, which was up by 1.3% in the previous quarter. The country's fiscal authorities are glad the sector has continued to contribute immensely to GDP despite COVID-19 due to government's commitment to its growth. They say efforts to commit adequate resources to the sector's development shall continue against the backdrop of rising population and the need to ensure food security.
The importance of this event has been underscored by the fact that it is aimed at sensitizing relevant stakeholders and the general public on the importance of the National Agricultural Sample Census, the NACS, and also for soliciting the cooperation of the public towards its success.
Actualizing these plans for agriculture by the authorities is highly dependent on data. The activities here mark the start of stakeholder engagements at all levels towards the success of the National Agricultural Sample Census. The census is to help give vital data on the structural composition and operations of the sector. The results are to form a statistical framework for the conduct of subsequent agricultural surveys in Nigeria. It captures all aspects of agriculture, including crop production, livestock, poultry, fishery and forestry.
Indeed, it is interesting to know that agriculture's contribution to the real gross domestic product, GDP, in the second quarter of 2021 stood at 23.78%, which grew at 1.3% higher than the previous quarter.
This stakeholder engagement is to, among other things, keep the public aware of the survey's importance while seeking their input for its success. The National Bureau of Statistics worked with the World Bank as well as the Food and Agriculture Organization in developing a strategy on adequately sensitizing the public ahead of the survey's takeoff. Lara Afolayan, TVC News.